I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Notes and creating a blank note. This is where you capture ideas quickly. Tap the Compose icon in the lower right and give the note a short title so it's searchable. If you plan to use multiple devices, make sure iCloud Notes is enabled under Settings Apple ID iCloud. This backs up and syncs automatically. Once done, you can start typing or tap the camera icon to add photos. This saves time and keeps everything in one place. Now focus on structure so your notes stay usable. Create folders from the main list to group projects or subjects, then drag or move notes into them. This prevents clutter. Inside a note, use the formatting toolbar. Select text to apply headings, bullets, or checklists, which makes scanning faster. You can pin critical notes to the top and rename them for clarity. Once organized, use the search bar with keywords to find content instantly, ensuring you don't waste time hunting for details later. To finish, decide how to share and protect your work. Tap the Share button to invite collaborators, send text, or export a PDF. This lets others view or edit. For privacy, lock sensitive notes using the lock icon and authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. This prevents accidental access. If something goes wrong, check Recently Deleted to recover notes within 30 days. If sync issues occur, make sure iCloud is on and your device has network access before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.